Welding Willies. Big crash. Ain't nothing, huh? Ain't nothing but a couple little scratches.
Some scratches, buddy.
Time
wear
to get
y'all
some
helmet though.
handlebar.
Like me without no
handlebars bent up. This is knocked off. Right now we're gonna take the handlebars, get them straightened out. Try to fix that foot peg. See how she rides out. That's 2-stroke, one-way Rob. Holler boy. Welding Wheelies. Like and subscribe. Oh shit, that might have did it. It don't look bad. Looks pretty fucking good.
From that being bent, we ain't never gonna get it straight.
Nope. But from
unless we heat it up.
From bending it with the truck frame and the truck ball, that's pretty good.
Let me go back to it.
You gotta do it. Oh, that felt like a lot.
Yeah, just a little too much. Let me go back on that.
Ooh, that felt like a lot.
Oh, no, man.
You're going back too much. A little bit.
I'm gonna ride with that. Rock out!
It's raining, it's pouring, the old man is snoring. He knew the bikes was coming out. He said, "No, not today." Said, "Not today, it ain't." Let's pick these up.
You need to put them on.
You will.
You need to put your bike right here. Get up on there. Get up in there, boy.
You will.
Grab some needle nose. Man, that shit straight cut the quarter pin, bro.
I'll smash the whole fucking thing.
Definitely bent it.
And it broke that.
What?
Is that already broke?
What? No. Definitely broke it.
Has some impact to it. Alright, so having a problem here. It's going way down. It needs to be more like right about here. See in the back.
See how much room?
We needed to touch.
About a quarter inch we need to add.
So we're gonna take this off. We're gonna put some build up on the back and make it touch. Damn, she's hot. She's starting to melt. We need to cool it down. Look at these motherfuckers. They said fuck the rain. So, put pegs on. Looks pretty decent. Almost need to do the same thing to this side. Bring it up some. Done broke it. Caught the light. Ripped the bracket back. So gotta take it off. Put the lights back on. Gotta be able to see in the dark.
If that one even works.
Gotta have them pointed down too whenever you fucking at 12 o'clock. On one way.
Yeah, early.
12 o'clock.
Huh? Oh, broke the world. And you got him positioned as well. Look, you got him positioned differently. Picture the whole thing turn. Look, alright, let's get it right.
Got the lights mounted up nice. Rob's got the carburetor and the intake tube off. Got a nice air filter in a box here. What else is in there? Ooh, another intake tube with a gasket. Oh, there's the goodies. There's the monster. That's that $37 carburetor. Oh snap. Check her out. That brand new Mikuni business. Ooh. She's ready. She's ready.
Gotta clean that old gasket shit off of there. Why do I hear someone talking? Got him.
Oh man, that thing looked nice and pretty. Woo! Pit bike.
Try that Phillips head.
Well, had to take the fucking shock out. Gotta do another little relocation slightly. Getting our hose
Ooh,
drilled.
that was off. Sorry.
We'll be back shortly with a ready to ride wheelie bike. Custom modified. Every inch of this bike is custom made. Every inch.
Think about the way.
Every inch of this. Custom.
You need to hold this gas hose too, Bubba. Come on, bitch. Don't do it on the last hole.
The last one, and she's dead. Impact's dead too.
do it.
She's done. We'll be right back, guys.
Oh, she made it. She made it. Good. She made it. Bolt, but we'll see if we can get her up in there.
Alright, guys, here we are. We got the bolt moved forward. You can see there's a bolt right there. All you gotta do is look, and you'll see a bolt. Just look. And it's there too. Rob said that's where he wants it. That's where he wants it. Alright. We're gonna get it put back together, and you'll see what she do.
Oh, I need that 12 mil.
All put back together. Oh, forgot something. $10, $13. Where did 12 go? No, I got a 10 and a 13. Found it. There we go. Last finishing touches. You might need some new rings. Yeah, no rings.
That front banana.
Banana it out. Time for a new bike. Time for a new bike.